So, as a freelancer, I get asked this question a lot. Yep, that's potential clients wanting to see my portfolio of work before they consider working with me. And let's be honest, it's annoying, especially when you're freelancing on platforms like Fiverr, because 90% of the time, if they weren't so lazy, they could just scroll through your gigs gallery to view the previous work that you've already completed. But of course, those people asking for your portfolio are the same people that could potentially pay you from a few $100s to a few $1,000s today, depending on the service you offer. So having a portfolio link ready to share with them is a must. And honestly, it's something that many freelancers just overlook and feel as though that they won't need. But really, if you put yourself in your client's shoes for a second, would you hand over hundreds of dollars to someone blindly without seeing their previous work? Probably not. So there's no reason why we should expect them to either. That's why today I'm going to show you 5 of the best portfolio builders which you can start using right now, either for free or very cheaply, plus a couple of bonus options if you're a Fiverr seller or the service that you offer involves video making. So let's get into it. Now, Behance, being part of the Adobe ecosystem, stands as somewhat of a beacon for freelancers seeking a robust platform within the Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, personally, I'm not a massive Adobe user, but Behance's prime allure lies in its integration with Adobe tools, forming a seamless workflow for artists and designers. Uploading and updating projects becomes then effortless, ensuring that your portfolio remains dynamic. Now, a big advantage of this platform is its extensive reach, exposing freelancers not just to the clients that they share their portfolio with, but to a global audience and potential collaborations, making this platform not just a showpiece for you, but an opportunity to gain more work as a freelancer. However, the trade-off lies in its limited customization options. Now, while the platform is incredibly user-friendly, the standardized layouts may pose a challenge in terms of standing out in a sea of talented creatives. And navigating through the competition, if you want to gain clients through Behance, requires strategic curation of content and a distinct personal touch to truly shine. Or, like I mentioned, if you want to use it purely as a portfolio to share the link to, then you can do that as well. Price-wise, it's completely free to use, and the freelancing services it's aimed towards are the creative ones, such as graphic design, illustration, fashion, photography, advertising, fine arts, game design, and many more. Wix has carved a niche for itself as a go-to platform for freelancers who want to showcase their work without delving into the complexities of coding. Its drag-and-drop interface provides a real simple, user-friendly environment for creating personalized websites. The platform offers a plethora of customizable templates, catering to different professions and design preferences. Now, while it allows freelancers to create a professional-looking portfolio, the caveat is the inclusion of Wix ads in the free version. For freelancers aiming for the utmost professionalism, those ads may be a slight drawback. Additionally, while Wix is user-friendly, delving into advanced customization might require a bit of a learning curve for those not familiar with web design intricacies. But overall, it's a great platform for the majority of freelancers. The only negative is you need to build it yourself from their templates, which is probably going to take you the best part of a few hours to get it looking the way that you want it to. Price-wise, as mentioned, there is a free version. Otherwise, the paid versions start from $16 per month. And overall, this is a good one to use no matter the freelancing service you offer, as it can be as diverse as you want. WordPress.com. With its unlimited range of plans, it provides tailored flexibility for freelancers looking to establish a robust online presence. WordPress will pretty much always be the best and cheapest option with the most customizability, but, and there is a big but, the learning curve and time to create is a lot longer and more complex. The platform seamlessly integrates portfolio display with blogging and much more, offering a more comprehensive solution for freelancers wanting both, allowing you to create a proper website and not just a page being shown via a third-party platform like Behance. However, the free plans have limitations on installing third-party plugins, which will potentially restrict the extent of customization for more advanced users. Prices for the paid version start at around $4 a month if you choose to pay annually. And again, WordPress customization is completely up to you, meaning whatever kind of freelancer you are, you'll be able to benefit from this platform. Cargo.site stands out in the crowded space of portfolio building platforms with its emphasis on minimalistic design and streamlined functionality. Now, the platform provides a super clean canvas for creative portfolios, allowing the work to take center stage. But beyond aesthetics, Cargo is optimized for speed, ensuring that your audiences experience smooth and swift navigation. However, the platform has limitations in its free version, nudging users towards an upgrade for access to the full suite of features. While Cargo excels for visual arts, its niche appeal may limit its suitability for freelancers in other industries, seeking more diverse and expansive customization options. All in all, it's definitely worth a look if you want to have something that looks different from all of the other portfolios out there. Prices for the paid version start at $19, so a little high, and as I said, it's not going to be suitable for all freelancers, but more aimed towards creatives. Carbon Made distinguishes itself by offering an intuitive interface that caters to freelancers seeking a straightforward yet visually appealing platform for their portfolios. Benefiting from a simple drag and drop system, again, similar to Wix, its affordability adds to its appeal, providing value for money for freelancers on a budget with plans starting currently from $9 per month. In general, the platform makes it easy to curate and showcase your work, ensuring that your creative prowess takes the spotlight. Nevertheless, it comes with a trade-off. Advanced customization options are somewhat limited. While sufficient for many freelancers, those with specific design preferences may find the platform somewhat restrictive. Additionally, Carbon Made has a clear focus on visual arts, making it a great choice for designers and visual artists, but potentially less versatile for freelancers in diverse creative fields. Pricing, as mentioned, starts from $9 currently, but it's still quite limited, so the Pro plan is going to be your best option, currently at $12. Alright, but what about the two bonus portfolio creation options I mentioned at the start for Fiverr sellers and video creators? Because currently, these are the two options that I use, and generally they're not the most professional, but they are the two which are the quickest to create, meaning you shouldn't have any excuse to not have these. First of all, if you're a Fiverr seller, then Fiverr actually offer their own portfolio option, which you can upload your best work to and write a small brief as to what it's about. The only drawback for me personally as a video maker is that they only allow a maximum upload size of 50 megabytes. So I have to spend time trying to compress the file, which then just becomes a pain in the ass. So instead, I created a portfolio YouTube channel, which makes life much easier because I can just drag and drop all of my files that I want to upload at once and just write a simple title, then hit publish. After that, I just leave a link to that YouTube portfolio channel in my Fiverr description so people can easily click on it and check out my previous work. Now, I know a proper profile would look better, but if you're dealing with video content, then having it on a YouTube channel, I think is just a lot easier for both me as a freelancer and the client viewing the videos. And seriously, having a decent portfolio will actually have a noticeable advantage on your business. That I can pretty much guarantee. Not only will you have proof of your work, but you'll definitely start to gain more clients because of it. Plus, clients can see your style and what you're capable of. And it will save you from multiple back and forth messages trying to explain what you can offer, when now you can just show them. And just to make it easier, I'm gonna link all the platforms that I went over today in the description below so you can go check them out for yourself. And if you've got any questions or recommend a different platform that you're currently using, which I didn't mention, then be sure to drop the name of it in the comments so we can all benefit. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one.